Hello, welcome to Fante Castesia here on Apodel's Multimedia. In today's video lesson, I come your way with spelling Fante words that are made up of 9 to 10 alphabets. Yes, 9 to 10 alphabets. To make these long words spelling easy, I will make use of syllable spelling. This video lesson is dedicated to Basic 6 learners. All other general learners may equally benefit from the lesson. Let's get started. The first word to tackle here is aketesia. Aketesia. This word is a lady in English. A lady. Aketesia. A k a, t a, s I a. Aketesia. Aketesia. Akwadwefo. Akwadwefo is the plural form of a lazy person. Now the spelling. Akwadwefo. A k we a, d we e, f o. Akwadwefo. Akwadwefo. Amandebo. This is information in English. Now the spelling. A d z e b o. Amandebo. Amandebo. Dabrabenyi. Dabrabenyi is a dishonest individual. Dishonest person, someone who is not truthful, is referred in Fante as dabrabenyi. Now the spelling for dabrabenyi. D a b r a, b a ye I. Dabrabenyi. Dabrabenyi. Dzin tamsi. This is adjective in English. Now the spelling. Dzin tamsi. D z I t a s I. Dzin tamsi. Dzin tamsi. Edwumadzin. This is hard work in English. The spelling. Edwumadzin. E d w u a d z e Edwumadzin. Edwumadzin. The next word to spell is nkunyimdi. This word means successful or being successful. Now the spelling. Nkunyimdi. K u ye I d z I. Nkunyimdi. Nkunyimdi. The final word to spell for today is nkabomudzi. This word is in English. Now the spelling for nkabomudzi. Nkabomudzi. K a b o u d z e. Nkabomudzi. Nkabomudzi. Alright, our lovely learners, this is where we bring today's video lesson to an end. To benefit fully from today's spelling video, you may want to replay this video again and pay close attention to how the spelling is made with these words through the syllable usage. Please, if this is your first time here on the channel, consider subscribing if you find this video to be helpful and educative, and don't forget to share the videos to others to also benefit. Until we meet again here on the channel as we learn Fante through English language, my name is Ochechrenyi Apiamensa. Merba Krahum, Mizinyi Ochechrenyi Apiamensa. kapim de yɛbɛhyia bio no bɔ mmɔdzen na subscribe abra enye dusuadze pii efi ɔyɛ nda adesua mu no na sanso bɔ video no bio na ntum nka wotirim yie papa makra hom yɛbɛhyia bio bye bye.